Hi there, welcome back. What I have today is a challenge lock sent to me by Tony S. Locks from the UKLS forum, and the lock itself was made by Chris Ahrens. I think I'm saying that right. If I'm not, I'm sure I'll be corrected at some point. Hopefully I'll be able to pick and cut this for you today. I will be using pin side tension. I will be using a homemade pick. Straight in looking for a binder. Touched on 3, little tiny click. 4, little bit of a false set. Felt a little movement on 3 again there, so unless I must have put him up a little bit more. That was pin 1. Pin 5. A little bit of counter rotation there. Lost our full set. Might have overset there, so I'll lighten up the tension. And we've got our full set back. Click on pin 4 there. Little click on 3. Click on 2. In pin 1, just trying to counter rotate there. They've got a big click out of 1, I think that one's set now. Trying to get under 3, little click. 4 again, little click. Pin 2. Got a little click out of 2 and minor rotation on the core. So everything seems to have done all there. That was pin 4. Now everything seems to have give up a bit. I think I'm getting counter rotation on 3. I think we've got that one set. 4 again. 4 seems like it's a gatekeeper. Click out of 3. That was 5. 4 again. Thought we would have it there. Under 5. 3. Again, this is a very tricky little lock. I have opened it a few times, but just not on camera. Everything feels a bit springy. Get counter rotation on 2 manually. Lost tension there. Hopefully we can keep this going. 3, 4, 5 is springy. Counter rotation on 4 again. I think we got that set. Under 5 there. Got a little click out of 5. Little click out of flat 5 again. Click out of 1. Getting counter rotation on 1 there. Got that set again. Back onto pin 4. Got 2 clicks out of 4 there, I think it was. Pin 3 clicker onto pin 2, and we do have an open. I've put up one hell of a fight there, but we do have an open nevertheless. So let us take a look, see what's inside. I haven't had this lock apart, so I still don't know what's in there. Great little lock to pick. As I say, I've picked it a few times, but that time it did put up quite a bit of a fight. It doesn't have a key, so I will not be locking it up, but I will be using a shim, and I may be better off using the red follower, if I can get that round there. Doesn't seem to want to go. We'll give it a go from there. Try it the other way first. I don't want any accident happening. I think we may have got it. And the 3D follower fits onto the back of that. Pretty nice. So we'll try it like this. And we got it straight through. So excellent. Got threads in every chamber, and as you can see, everything needed to be picked. We'll dump them out and take a look. That looks like an evil pin. Some nice looking pins coming out here. Very nice looking pins. As I said, all chambers were threaded. And very nice threads on that. Sort of a spool with a thread in the middle. We will take a look when they're all out. That looks like a T-pin with reduced diameter. This one had a very strong spring there. Very strong. Go for the back for the last one. very tiny spring there. The light is running out of battery because it is on a battery powered one. So check to see if there's threading in the car. Doesn't look like there's any threading in there. Let's take a look at the pins. We have a sort of spool with a wide bit in the middle, and the key pin, threads on the key pin, absolutely awesome work on it, very nice T-pin, and also a little thread on it there with a spool action going on, same as pin 1. I wonder if that's the Lock Noob's Christmas cracker pin, because it looks a lot like it. A lot of threads on that. That's why I was getting a lot of clicks out of it. A torpedo pin. And again, looks like the Christmas cracker pin. I may be wrong, but that's what it looks like. And a spool with one deep serration. And sort of threads down here with a spool. I suppose these threads wouldn't have come into play very much, but still a very nice looking pin. There you have it. Absolutely awesome lock. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.